How to redeem your Spotify gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you the way as to how you can redeem your Spotify account's gift card. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to redeem your Spotify account's gift card, what you have to do is just go ahead and launch your browser, not the app but from our browser. Once we open up our browser, you can simply type in spotify.com. So type in spotify.com and then hit slash over here and then type in the option that says redeem. So what you want to do is you want to go to spotify.com/redeem. I'll also make sure to leave this direct link down in the description box so you can just go ahead and check that out. Once you go to spotify.com/redeem, you want to make sure to log into your account on your web browser, and as you can see, it says me to redeem your code. So enter the pin on the back of your gift card or enter the premium code on your in-store receipt. So just go ahead and enter your premium code, verify the captcha that says I'm not a robot, and as soon as you've done that and after you've pasted your code over here, tap on the continue button at the bottom of the screen. And that's all it takes to redeem your Spotify gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.